Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with you with my April favorites. I cannot believe April has come and gone and Easter has come and gone. Like, where is this year going? Anyways, my favorites this month are actually very short. I only have 3 products, which is very unlike me. I guess I haven't been trying as many new ones. So let's get started. Okay, so my first one is the Beautycounter Illuminating Glow Stick in the color Rose Glow. It was featured in my Beautycounter video. Like, this is the color. So pretty. Here, let me swatch it on my hand for you so you guys can see. It's so pretty. I love to use it. I put it like right in this part right here, and I also add blush to my face as well. But you can actually use this as a blush. They have a one called Bronze Glow, which I think I might get as a bronzer to try up, so it looks really pretty as well. And they also have like the Pearl Glow, which is like the white creamy color as well. Sorry, Rico, I thought Rico was about to do something bad. On to my next one. It is the Voir Walk in the Sun Hair Oil. I discovered Voir maybe about a month, 2 months ago, and they really didn't ship to the US. I was considering buying it and then shipping it to my friend's house in Hamilton when I knew I was going to be in town, but I wasn't sure when that was going to happen, so I waited until I knew. Then Voir was offering free shipping to the US, so I bought the studio set, which includes 4 products, but it's actually cheaper to buy all 4. This is the one that I've basically been using every day. I put it in my hair. It's meant for dry hair, but you can use it as on wet hair as a deep conditioning and leave it in and then wash it out. I have not done that yet. I plan on it. I just haven't had the time to do that because that takes time. But it smells amazing. Oh, I love it so much. It is radiant and uplifting. You are destined for the unwavering beauty of the sun. Infused with fortifying natural oils from rosehip, avocado, jojoba, this nourishing elixir instantly melds into each strand for deep hydration and unparalleled shine. Yes, I use this basically every morning on my hair. Love it. My third and final product is the Sampar Oils in One. I got this from Octoly, and I'm actually like in love with this. It's the most luxurious oil I have ever used in my entire life. I can't seem to find the ingredients online, and that kind of scares me. I think there might be silicone in here, which I don't really like using on my face in an oil, but I can't be sure. It says morning and or evening, heat up 3 to 6 drops of oil in your hands, then apply to perfectly cleansed skin, neck, and upper chest, avoiding the eye area. Follow your usual care. Yeah, I don't know. It's really nice. The scent's a bit perfumey too. Not terrible, because I have a very strong reaction to like scents. Like, they really bother me, and this has not bothered me at all. I think if it was a hair stronger, it would be. So I'm assuming there's added fragrance in here as well, but I'm gonna do my best to try to find the ingredients for this, because I actually really like it. I'm hoping there's nothing really bad and nasty in it, because I don't like using products with those ingredients in it. And those are all my April favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!